Welcome back to Crash History USA. I'm Sibgatullah, and today we'll delve into the fascinating and, at times, alarming world of road accidents in the United States. So, buckle up, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Introduction to the topic, visuals, montage of road accident footage, emergency vehicles, and statistics. Graphics. Road accidents are a major concern in the United States, affecting countless lives and costing billions of dollars each year. In this video, we'll explore the history, causes, and solutions to the road accident problem that plagues our nation. The road accident landscape, data visualization, charts and graphics depicting road accident statistics in the USA. Let's start by understanding the landscape of road accidents in the USA. History of road accidents, visuals, vintage footage of early road accidents, cars from different eras. Road accidents in the USA have a long and storied history. From the early days of automobiles to the modern era, accidents have been an unfortunate part of the journey. Statistics, present-day accident scenes, emergency responders. Today, road accidents are a leading cause of death in the United States. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, over 38,000 lives were lost in road accidents in 2020 alone, and millions more were injured. Common causes of road accidents: distracted driving, visuals, footage of drivers using smartphones, in-car distractions, host on camera. One of the most common causes of road accidents is distracted driving. With the rise of smartphones and other gadgets, it's easier than ever to get distracted behind the wheel. Speeding, visuals, cars racing on highways. Host voiceover. Speeding is another major issue on our roads. People often underestimate the risks associated with going too fast, which can lead to deadly consequences. Impaired driving, visuals, police conducting sobriety tests, DUI checkpoints. Impaired driving, particularly driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, continues to be a significant problem. It impairs judgment and reaction times, making the roads more perilous. Reckless driving, cars weaving in and out of traffic. Tailgating. Reckless driving, including aggressive behaviors like tailgating and weaving in and out of traffic, contributes to a high number of accidents each year. Personal stories, visuals, interviews with accident survivors and victims' families. Behind each statistic, there's a human story. Road accidents have a profound and lasting impact on the lives of those involved and their families. Economic impact, visuals, graphics showing the economic cost of road accidents. The economic cost of road accidents is staggering. It includes medical expenses, vehicle damage, legal fees, and lost productivity. Preventative measures, safety technologies, visuals, demonstrations of modern car safety features. Thankfully, advancements in technology have led to significant improvements in road safety. Features like lane departure warnings, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control are making our roads safer. Public awareness campaigns. Clips from public service announcements and safety campaigns. Public awareness campaigns, like Click It or Ticket and Drive Sober or Get Pulled Over, play a crucial role in educating the public about the dangers of risky behaviors. Conclusion and call to action. Host at a monumental accident site. Visuals. Host standing at a site of a significant historical accident. As we wrap up this journey through the history of road accidents in the USA, it's clear that this issue is deeply ingrained in our society. But it's also within our power to change the narrative. Safety pledge. Visuals. Host holding a safety pledge sign. Let's make a commitment to prioritize safety, be responsible drivers, and work towards a future where road accidents are a thing of the past. Together, we can ensure a safer and more secure future for all. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this important exploration of road accidents in the USA. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Crash History USA and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, drive safely and remember, the road ahead is filled with opportunities. Let's make sure we all get there safely. Goodbye. Compilation of memorable moments from the video, fading into the Crash History USA logo. Feel free to customize this script to match your channel's style and preferences. And remember to incorporate visuals and footage that enhance the overall message and impact of your video. Good luck with your YouTube